A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss. Boy, guys, cool. Look what me have on. Look for me. And a Jamaica, me there. When me there in Canada, me in a ball, but I don't know how I go on. But Jesus, it's cool. Can you imagine tonight? Sorry for you man when I get a pum tonight. Me, sir? Time cool. Anyway, guys, man, to give me 1,000 like on the video. I play one story where somebody sent to me. Let me open the box. Alright. And guys, I still have stories for premiere. Just give me some time. I have to edit them and go through them first. But I have to go and go into something for watch. I'm wanting to listen to the debate we have over TikTok in our box. And also we are trying to put up if I even we have 2 single person. Alright, we are trying to put them up. Ladies gonna link me up and guys gonna link me up. See? And I don't know anything. Big up on yourself. Cool. Jeez, I'm God. Oh my God. Ooh, now you know Jamaica would have feel so. Anyway, we could listen to this.
Yeah, morning everyone. Morning. You know, I'm so much. But you know, most of us as men, you know, we deal with our stress different from a female. Yeah, you know. But I'm just going through so much. I'm going through so much. So much from this woman that I've married, only to realize so much lies, very deceptive. I'm not here to even try to bring her down, but I'm just here to just set certain records straight. You know, just to set certain records straight. So we have been living together for a while. Living together good. Right? Till I realize the hidden stuff started popping up. She have her ex calling her, begging money. I know she said a lot of stuff, you know, and I'm gonna touch on most of them. When she made mention that I tried to let her lose her house, totally lie. That ex, she always been talking to. You know, I'm not there most time because I work like 80 hours a week, you know. I work a lot to take care of them. She was indebted. She has no credit. Took out 2 vehicles, paying for them, full coverage. Buying food, sending stuff for kids in Jamaica, balancing everything. Right, balancing everything. She only pay a mortgage. Right, I said, listen, you have to go on a debt recovery program to fix these credit. Right, she didn't even know what it is. I inquired, I got her on it. I've her to have that pulled from her pay to fix those. Because in order to change stuff, you have to change your attitudes towards moving forward. Right? 3 person. I'm the 4th person. She have this ex that should call and beg. I ended up find out. I'm there one day and phone ringing. I saw the number pop up. You know, repeatedly. Okay. I got his number. I said, hey, yeah, you know, I realize that you've been calling my wife. And he's like, oh yeah, man. I said, listen, this is my wife. I don't need you to call this phone no more. Oh, I didn't know that she married. I said, listen, don't call this phone. Because his name popped up. I did a search. I know he was a pastor. I said, listen, if you call my wife again, I'm going to let the church know. Boom, that cut off. She was mad. Hey, best if you get the fuck out of my house. Because you're trying to... People. He said, yeah, I discovered that I've been going through. She threw me out. Right? She think that I was going to sleep underneath a bridge or something. Right? I sleep in my car for a period of time. She came back begging me. Say, I'm so sorry, come home. Alright, I go back home, I'm there. While I'm still doing all of these things. Another aspect is, if I'm sending money for my kids, she's telling me how much to send. I don't like that. I have my kids in Jamaica, I have to help those baby mom. I don't want him to be stressed out and then you're going to take it out on the kids. Right? I have my mom. I don't have a dad. My mom struggled. My mom struggled really, really hard. So she's a part of my mandate, right? You know, she's a part of my agenda to take care. This woman have a problem with all of that. How much money I get, how much money I'm sending. I said, listen, when it comes down to mom and these kids, you know that initially, right? Her kids, 4 kids, love those kids. Up to today, those kids love me so much. Love me. In fact, you know, let me touch some of the stuff, you know. Her son, 20, you know, he was doing his other stuff, working. The daughter was about 16. I said, girl, I said, listen, I'm going to have to help her to get her learners. I taught her to drive, you know. When I come home from work, I said, come. 3 of us in the car. Taught her to drive. So when she come at me as if I have done no intervention into that family, I've done a lot. And it wasn't hard for me to do. I enjoy doing that. Right? Having her to learn parallel park. It took us like more than 2 weeks, you know, because I had to get big drum, put at the back of the yard and say, girl, go and learn. I said, if you get your driver's license, I'm going to get you a car. I bought a car for her, you know, to able to do her stuff. I eventually helped both of us get her in college, you know, get her into CNA school, you know. Right? Because she pointed me in that direction. Yes, she got me registered. She paid a little, I paid a little. And I did my thing. I got my GD. So I've been doing a lot of stuff with myself. Right? This man, so I cut off that link with that man. She mad. Boom. I came in early one day. She's on the phone with another ex. Right? So I'm like, girl, you know, why are you really doing this? You know, you're just calling people to beg them as if, listen, we can do it. Argument. Shut the fuck up in my house, people. I have photos can show you how much time my clothes has been shown out. How much time I ended up outside. Falling to know. She came to my job, you know, with the whole intention. She texted my phone and said, I'm going to let you lose a job. Because, you know, I have to move out. I have to. So the weight is heavy in America when it comes down to the bills, you know. I have to move out. Being humiliated so much time. How much of it can I endure? How much of it can I endure? So the car I took out for her, you know, I can't be paying rent, paying my car, health insurance, and then still be paying that. It end up in repossession. She know all of these stuff.
Boy, me I look on the man face, the man looks stressed like say the whole world a tumble down upon him. Eh? The man looks stressed like the whole world a tumble down upon him. Hey, that's why I tell the guys, nobody not trick me or try to convince me for what me running in a marriage. I don't know right now anybody me married, I have to know for 4 or 5 years, yeah, man. I'm not gonna trick me. Anyway, guys, look here what go on over TikTok there, because we have a discussion about what we did discuss, guys. I'm wanting the ladies, I'm wanting to be honest, because I feel me have the wrong ladies them in our panel. Ladies, in a situation, do you have to love a person to sleep with him? Or if that man is financially setting you, making a shot or nothing, be a role model, would you give it up to him? Or if you're not naturally like that man, you not give it up? That was a discussion. But listen with them ladies are so very interested. Is not going to commit. Once she not attracted to you, how much woman pan you would have take things and there with a man you're not attracted to? She not going to settle for him. No matter what. Hello, what go on independent?
Morning, it's the same thing we're talking about yesterday. Sex is very important. So we hold that man. Why that man go all out?
Pum pum.
Okay then.
So if I never
No
had sex,
feelings.
if I never had sex, you would have want her.
Exactly. If that sex was not good, that man would have never do that. I look me there, I look for one good man and everything, and some people get opportunity and no want it.
Independent. They no more ask me. Me ask you something publicly, but me, me don't know if you did call me. You did the pastor man. We married.
No.
I know you. If I sound like a lady, I know.
Eh.
Yeah, man. She did the pastor man where in married and him a cheat with she. Ladies, morning. You should not wanna go first. Jamaican girl, you first.
Morning. If I'm not interested in a man, I'm not taking anything from him. That's it. If I'm not interested, I'm not interested. I don't want your things. I don't want you, and it
I'll let
ends
you
there.
suffer. Jamaican girl, I'll let you
Yeah,
suffer.
that's me, cause it don't make no sense. It's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere.
But enough woman not think like you. Them enough
It's
woman
not
not take
going
what them
anywhere,
can
and it
take.
makes no sense. No, and then what? Sometimes that's why sometimes they find some of them body in a bag and barrel.
Me not
Man,
believe
kill
that
them.
Jamaican girl. Me just say it as a
No,
man.
for real, I'm telling you. This is things. Me always tell people this. If I was attracted to a man for what him can give me, would I reach farther in a life? Cause men who had it have approached me. And me turn it down. Cause me just not interested. It not gone away. Me not one of them, me not one of them female they no. Me not want
Julie's.
nobody come turn around and kill me.
Julie's morning.
Good
Alright,
morning.
Jamaican girl. Big up yourself for your opinion. Me have two more people ask
Yeah man,
request.
big up yourself, yeah.
Yes. Jules, morning, your time.
Good morning. I agree
Yeah.
with Jamaican girl. If I'm
We,
not interested, I'm not taking anything from anyone. But I'm gonna tell you all something. I'm a
you
rare
know
breed.
why you know talk so now? I'm gonna say this too now. You see, true, you may be independent and now you know want money now. And you know go on, things are going for you, not just a talk. So no. Me not asking you back then if nothing then I go on for you. And you live in a local hut and you get one foreign man and he ugly. And you can take things from him and he say, "My bill up here one house and something." You are
That's
taking.
true, there, man. Not for
So,
them I say it because they in the
Yeah, but
position where they not get. If you're in a one bad position, you meet a man
of
and you
course.
need it, even when you don't want man, you need the help. You go say, Father God, me need the help, but me no want do it, but you see, true, me have me family, them and me a suffer, them a go
Really.
take me them away.
Independent, it all depends.
it
Don't tell me that.
No,
You
listen
can't
now.
go market and go in a supermarket and say, me hungry, no, can you give me a pound of flour, a pound of sugar? No. No for we you just
Okay.
hide we self and I say we not do this. Come on now, we
I
all are
still
human. We
I
not
still beg to
perfect.
differ. You know why I beg to differ? Mix up pass. When I came to America, I never have no papers. Meet one little man where they willing to help me. But in a hand of front teeth, top or bottom. And as much as I want the papers, me could be there with him and the man would do anything for me. So it all depends on the person. You have some woman will drink,
I
yeah,
agree.
and sleep with a man, forget them way, and you have one next woman that go look and say, why? Me can't see myself I go there so. No, in regards to this man, as somebody who live in America, let me tell you something mix up boss. And everything people come say, I saw it go. Cause a woman
That's
too,
true.
we not
Find a
like you.
story.
And because of how you treat them, then get a liking for you. A
True.
lot of us, including myself, when we find ourselves in a more better position, even though we are a healthy person, we tend to want to be controlling.
True.
You get me? I say worse, you hear him emphasize
Vice
many
versa.
times. The
True.
man, she can do nothing for herself and her family. So basically, me nah say that's the situation, and I'm just putting another
Yeah,
narrative
me
to this
understand.
story.
Yeah.
Them say, oh, because she need me, because she not have it, her family not have it, and me her only way out, then she go have a take when me give her. And they will abuse you mentally
Yeah.
because them a give you $1.
True.
Some women will stay and subject themselves to the mental abuse, and some women will take it while also seeking another way out. And honestly, this is what I get from the story. You get
Serious?
me? I say?
You're right. I
Yes.
feel
Even
something.
though,
You're right.
hold on, back
Yes.
up there.
Two
Because
sides
you
of the
know
Even
story.
what?
though, hold on, even though she not plan to run off and she go over there and look work and something.
Listen, yeah, because listen, She
Because she
have
don't
him,
love
you
the
know.
man she a love what she
It's
a
like
get,
it's
so she a
like one
figure her
woman
way
live with one
out.
man, right? And this man a abuse me. Him a parent, him a do everything, but me hand happy no fuck. But pan the next hand, me not have no other option up, but me out there look somebody else for rescue me. So while she have him, yes, because in my support system, it don't necessarily mean say she want him because of where I put her through. She a
Right.
try to figure another way out. And I feel that's what the scenario
Yeah, me
was
and it's
with
just
this
like when you
woman.
meet a man, you know, and you don't want the man, you know, you're there with the man in your house, and you figure one way out because you know love the man, but what am I do for you? I see him scenario.
Right.
I disagree. Me no know
I
if
mean,
I'm
I
me no know
agree.
if
So what she do
me
is
no know if
right. Of
me
course,
no
that
know
if
if
you don't want
Papa
somebody to take them things.
I don't know
Not
if you have to
take
see it
them
forth from the
things.
get go still I understand where it come from still, but there's no way I would say that way they like how you see. Me see it as she had used the man for taking money and do this and want get where she can get and that's it.
So you feel like he was only beneficial to her for financial needs.
Yeah. Cause she
So
don't really have
why?
nothing more to
But she
offer.
sleep with him. So that
Yeah, cause
changed
him
the
a buy
story,
the
you
pum
know.
pum, he's giving her money. Someone like when a man a spend them money on a woman, it will come a time when she go just give in, cause that's her
Why?
source
But
of
if me give it,
income.
if me reach as far, because as a woman, you can't take man money and I give them pum pum in the comment. When me did that, Jamaica enough, but money me use to take on. When it come on to the
No.
pressure that the pum pum, you know, then top
All
give.
right. No, but we have to understand when somebody they are foreigner send money, send suitcase or clothes and etc. That alone win you already. Cause only thing now just to come down, get a little pump and you go down, you go up and chips and whatever. A woman do said thing, she done win the man already.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like to
The
overtalk.
foreign link and Jamaican link is a totally different something.
I don't like
Mm-hmm.
to overtalk anyone, but
Mm-hmm.
okay. I'm an American citizen. I'm a born American citizen. I'm from the US Virgin Islands. I pick up my husband that I picked up, he didn't have nothing. When I said he didn't have nothing, he didn't have no money, but he worked. I listened to MIXUP Bass the other day. I had to laugh. Where he's saying that if he carry out a woman, spend big lobster dinner for her, he got to get something. Well, it wouldn't have been this woman here. I'm telling you straight up. It might
No,
have been
no,
somebody.
no. Remember, Mr. Anna, when me rephrase that. Remember, I said if I met a lady and me and her talk and she beg me money, and say me give her some money like 150 grand to do something. See? And then now she say she want me and her go out. And if me I go out with her, remember me give you 50 grand already, and so that good. Whether it can be 1 week, 2 week after. Then me and her go on a date and me I go spend big again. Me I look to get some pum pum.
I'm gonna tell you about
But if
me.
she go continue, if me I go continue give, eventually she can just have me as a little man and just take my money. Me know them Jamaican woman are slick. So me
Okay,
I talk about experience.
Jamaican woman,
Let
but
me
not all
just
women.
once she
Can
say
I?
I eat that, them I just
Mix up
take.
boss, you know like that the
Let me tell you
woman the
something.
man. You know like her.
Let me tell you
No, I
something.
don't matter like
Can I can I
yeah,
please talk?
yeah.
Yeah. First of all, whether I like you or not, whether you're my man or not, I ain't taking a dime from you.
So it's a different situation. So you're not going to the
Yeah.
position there.
I'm not taking anything from you. Nothing. Nothing. I'm not taking nothing from you, so don't expect nothing. We're gonna try to get to know each other, in a deep way or whatever. But I'm one of those that wasn't giving you nothing.
No,
And
but
I
what I'm trying to
what
say, I'm basing my story based on somebody who is not financially stable.
Right, that's
I
what I
got
was gonna say, Jules. You have
It's a
that is
difference.
why
So you
women
can
need
put
to come.
yourself, your type of liking for your man is like Yanim go out on dates and it want to have his said ambition and it want to have
right.
maybe it on his said level. That's a different thing from what me I talk about. Me I talk about the mockers them. If you know what mockers mean in a
Oh, no. What does that mean?
Alright, you mean the girl that wear Barbie up, Dolly up, put on the long hair and do snap and ear swing and brown and look filter and every song them a do then thing and then tattoo and fleet and everything and yeah, them coming in your space and them want, yo, dear man, can you give me 50 grand?
Oh
But
my
boss me,
God.
Yo,
that
me I
girl
say,
make
yo,
me
yeah man,
like
me
what you
can't give you
mean.
That
man.
is crazy.
And then she go say she want to bring me out. More want got a restaurant time, more want lobster, more want
Nope,
this.
nope, nope, nope,
Please
nope, nope,
bear in
nope,
mind when you're
nope,
done,
nope, 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 nope.
your mouth
That
a
is
go work and
crazy.
your pum pum a work. Brawling. Right
None
there,
of them
so.
better don't come around my sons. No way. No way. I would
What,
run them.
Mockers?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Now,
I would
then
want
say
them.
every man want a mucker's auntie. So
No
I feel
way,
like,
no way. Not my sons. Not my sons.
yeah, it's
I
surprised
guarantee
you
you
know.
that. I guarantee you that. I
Yeah,
guarantee you that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they
okay.
got past me before they get to them. Oh yeah.
No, I mean, pass. You know what your
Oh,
son are
you
doing out
understand
there. Come
yourself. You
on,
don't know
mommy.
who I am.
When
You
the
don't
son
know
lock
who
your,
I am.
when the son lock your bathroom door, you know what time it is?
No, ain't gonna be no time. Trust me, nobody like that. Nobody like that. They could pass my sons. I guarantee you that.
Can't.
Listen me, Damian. And listen me,
Yeah.
panel. Listen me. And the muckers alone take money from a man. Cause me
That's
a
true.
woman. And if me meet a man right now, whether I like him or not, and yeah, give me money, me I gotta take it. Because woman love money. So the muckers alone take money from man. And we all have to be true to ourselves as women.
Yeah, but not
And
every
that's,
woman. Not every woman. Not every
yeah, tell
woman.
me, say, Missy, I tell me, say, if you meet a man right now, me don't know if you're rich or you're poor, but I'm not how much money you have. And the man just kindly I give you all a $10,000. You not gonna take it?
Sweetie, somebody
Tell
offered
me.
me a house. Somebody offered me a house, and I didn't want him. A millionaire offered me a house. When I was stepped away from my husband for 2 years, we were divorced for 2 years, and I remarried him. And in between those two times, you know how much man stepped to me? One said to me, because I'm in the black car service. And I didn't have the kind of caliber I wanted. I had a car. I was working with a car, but the guy said, "You become my woman today, I buy you a brand new car." Me, not me. He was Jamaican too. Yeah, up to this day, this man still want me. Up to this day, this man still want me. And a millionaire came after him, offered me a house, and I turned him down. Not every woman, miss. Not every woman.
Me not believe that, because if a
Miss,
millionaire
and
come
let
to
me
me
tell you
right now and
something.
offer me
And
a
let me
house,
tell you
me
something.
I
I
take
had
it.
and during that time,
No
during
man
those
on
2 years I
true.
was away from my husband. Oh my God, I had it rough. I had it rough. When I say roughness, rough. Especially during the COVID time,
Yeah.
when I thought I couldn't make the rent, but for
All right,
something
you know
God,
what go on,
All
God
right,
Jules?
came.
you
Hold on,
different, but
Hold on, Jules.
hold
on a
on,
general, woman
hold
never
on.
take
God,
man from
oh
woman
my
never
God,
take money from man. So
hold
me no know
on.
what
Hold
the
on,
God,
let
lady
me
has
tell
say.
maybe I two different culture because she's from US Virgin Islands. So maybe she not really think like how we Jamaican would have think. You know, a different country,
Mix up
different
but my
thinking.
brother did married to one woman from US Virgin Island.
Yeah.
Okay? That part of US as well. Right?
yes,
And when she milked my brother and she
crazy.
couldn't breed and she milked my brother, facts. My brother do much surgery with her, much this, and she milk up my brother. So, in a non for do culture, it have to do,
With the
woman need to
individual
just tell
people,
them truth.
right?
And the muckers alone, the whole of we take man money, because me take man money too.
Yeah, I ain't taking about money.
Yeah. All
I'm
right,
not doing that.
Jules. Big up yourself. And O'Neill, big up yourself. O'Neill, come in. More you are man. I say, hold on. May add more people to your box.
Yeah,
Yeah.
my friend.
No there, man. You call fit talk about the story about nothing?
I listen to the conversation because it sounds interesting.
Okay. All right. Who is there? Let me hear from Sima. What you say? All right. Big up O'Neill. Look, come on.
Hello, everybody.
Yeah.
So, my personal view, well, me have values and principles. Me can't speak for anybody else, but that me live by, that me grow by. Now, you have some woman where in a survival mode and sometimes they can disconnect emotions and feelings and all of that. So they can sleep with a man and then I have no feelings for him. They don't want him or nothing. Then just use them, you know what, forget what they want.
True.
Me can't do that. I don't have the conscience and my spirit nah go mesh with a person unless me feel for them, for be with them, for
That's some
commit
mistake to
myself with
Sima.
them.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Me, as me say, me I speak for myself. Me not downgrade anybody because I have family members where they disconnect themselves completely and out of desperation, then we there with man for money. Yeah? But me couldn't do it. As me tell you already, Damian, my love language is physical touch and all of that. So if me no attracted to the person, I cannot sleep with them. Me
And
just
that's what
can't
they
do
say,
it.
someone.
Me
You know
have
what
so many
you
people where me have so many, me cross so many men in my lifetime where have
And
their
someone
money.
never said this to you. What if you were a single mother with 3 kids? struggling,
Mix-up, boss.
living in
Me
our
have
hut,
some
would you?
struggle
No, man,
when
we just have put
me
in our
true.
spot.
No, but let me tell you this. Me have 2 kids, yeah? And the 2 different baby daddy me have, right? And I cannot tell you, say, any one of them support my children. And me one have to hustle and go through and fight for have my things. Anything at all when me achieve, and me not get no help from no man. No man that me ever talk to say, hey, go
But
do
Simon, what
hair
I'm
or go do
saying, if you
nails
was
or
getting the
whatever.
help at that time, would you accept it? That's what I'm asking you.
No, me not, unless me and the person is together. If me know say that person a look me, I know my friend, you know, me know say the person a look me and want me. Me not accept no money from them. Me
Okay.
not accept it because there is a natural exchange. Yeah? When a man like a woman and them a give them money, they expect something in return.
Yes, absolutely.
So why would I ask, why would I lead on that man now for believe, say, there is hope for him for getting a my knickers by accepting the money from him? Me not do it. That is just me.
But he might ask you like if you're desperate, what if you don't have no other resource and I just that the man that can help you?
Sis, me depend me feet. There's been times in my life where me depend me fierce. And me now go talk because me know say MIXUP boss put everything on YouTube and this and a 300 odd people there, so me not talk my business. But me I tell you say, me depend me fierce many a times, right? When me can't afford basic things. And me get opportunity from man for be sugar daddy, right? Just to spend little time with them or whatever. But me know better than that. Say it, they want more than that.
Right.
Yeah. Me have man will approach me, will have their things and just love me because they sit back and they analyze me and they say me a good person. Yeah, I'm a loyal and all of that. And because I'm not attracted to them, I don't want to lead them on.
Yeah.
You hearing me?
Yeah, man, loud and clear.
Loud and clear. Hi, MIXUP boss.
Morning.
Yes, a lot of the things that you're saying, I completely agree with you, 100%. There's times when you have to make sacrifices if you have, especially kids involved. You just have to be smart at what you're doing in terms of finding somebody that's not going to exploit you or try to in some way bully you or try to control you. I am 66 years old and I'm telling you, at times I had to do things that I didn't want to do in terms of going into a relationship with a man who I don't have feelings for. And I want to tell you, I got to even love that person because of the way in which he treated me and treated my kids.
Okay.
And this is when I was in Canada. And I got to love that man so well that I fell in love with him. By living with him over the years, I never loved him at the beginning. I used to, in terms of, I don't even know I don't want to put it that way, just in case he might be listening. But I'm telling you, sometimes some people saying this and saying that. I don't believe a lot of these people when they're talking about millionaire giving them houses and they're refusing it. Who's gonna refuse a house? A millionaire giving you a house? Come on, stop talking bullshit. You understand what I'm saying? Be real and realistic. Some of you are just talking crap. Melly Dawn, I totally agree with her because sometimes in life you have to make sacrifices, especially if you have kids. I'm not gonna let my kids suffer when there's a man out there's gonna help me. Come on. Stop the shit, man. Yeah.
All right, let me get.
Thank you, mommy. Them non talk them truth, them a lie.
Thank
And
you, my
that.
love.
No, remember Simone said fear love language I
Melly,
touch on
talk
it.
to
So
yourself, come in and
maybe
tell no
she
lie.
hear thing different, yeah. All right, now we get on UK. Morning.
I'm gonna lie like.
All right, Diamond, big up yourself. Come
Big
shoot
up
the house.
Fox are fox. Stop the nonsense. Tell
You
the
know,
man
say
money
as the
and
day,
plus me smart.
Diamond, as the day I talk, you know which movie remember? Remember one movie I'm watching at the 90s with Beanie Man. What's him again? Dancehall Queen. You remember Dancehall Queen?
Yes.
I don't remember the lady have to do a shop to do for make her daughter go to school and all of that.
Exactly.
But she never really wanted the man. It's a real life story that I know. If you check out the
Yeah.
story, so it's similar. All right, Dance Alki. Yeah, that's the name of the movie. All right, big
Yeah,
up
man.
yourself, my friend. Let me get something from somebody else. I appreciate you. All right. Yeah. Where the guy there? UK.
Yo, mix up.
Yeah, man.
Wagwan.
Wagwan. There, man.
Yo, something want to tell you now. Cause me want to run off them out. Alright. When I just state, you know, brother. So this chick, want me to bring her to Jamaica now. Look, say she look nice and hot, you know. I say, alright then. Me will buy a ticket, me will book room and everything for you. But not tell you the truth. Once we touch down, it'll go be straight fucking. She not dependent thing there. So I just tell her, I say, listen, I'm not gonna spend my money. Book place you and buy a ticket for you. I ain't give me the front when we go to Jamaica. I'm not depend that.
So you don't have a relationship where you have is a friendship, or somebody where you are looking for
Yes,
something like
we want to get to know each other. But she want me to spend my money, bring her a yard, and she don't want to give me the pussy. I'm not depend that. Me go spend money, bring her to Jamaica.
So pum pum. I don't want TikTok. That's a pum pum.
And I get the pum pum. Mr. Brother, I tell her, I say, listen, it not gonna work. I mean, I'm gonna spend. You better me use the money than go to Jamaica. Cause guess what? If me go to Jamaica, I definitely know somebody.
UK, just say not have it, sir. Just say not have it. Just say not have it. Because if you have it, you have the expectation.
Feel like her.
You still not get it, miss.
What you mean, me not get it? So you don't buy
it.
one ticket and carry the girl to Jamaica, you expect vagina pan because you do all of that?
Of course. Even
make it make sense. You don't have it, sir. You see, men will have money for lose. Men will have money for lose. Don't focus on the pum pum. Them spend and wait until them get. But you are spend forget, sir.
No, guess what? Tomorrow promise no money. Tomorrow no promise no money. You know? So guess what? If me bring a woman out on a date, definitely.
UK, you don't have it. You don't. You're not have it.
It's independent.
MIXUP boss.
Yeah.
I have a question for the man them overseas. They say so much of a female overseas were single. And they wanna spend every money if you go to Jamaica or get front. You know why? Because it's so cheap and easy to send $100 or $50 or $150.
True.
But the woman them with the America, they don't want to take up responsibility, you know, because they feel them have to go pay half of your rent, half of your car, half of this. And there's a lot of good women in America. You hear what I'm saying?
Mega Colombia now, I mean get one nice girl. She had 10 look body. And guess what? $300 and she spend the whole fucking 2 weeks with me.
And this is the next thing we do no Jamaican man too. We no got different part, go collect different Spanish and Colombian and all of them. And when you look on the run back for no one Jamaican, them to cook no food and everything. We no need to go away too.
So UK, maybe the girl that look a relationship and you not look a relationship, you just want to go around and spend your money to get the culture. And that you are look. So just keep it on the level there. You have girls who will give up a nookie for $100 because them just want a change. But a girl who want a relationship expect.
Nah, do that.
So the man are going to bring her up on date and quote her and them get to know each other before
we're going to talk
to
with you. 6 months. We're going to talk for 6 months and she has to say, you have to wait. Even 3 months you have to spend.
But you never say 3 months, 3 months UK, you say you buy a ticket, you go to buy the frontier ticket for $100. Because we know it's a ticket cheap.
Yes or no? It's not the first month of the person. When the person attack, I go to go 3 to 4 months. So that's all right then. Now bring her Jamaica for your birthday.
Yeah, but you didn't spend the whole 3 months or just a ticket you buy?
You still not get it. Me say me and the person I correspond and we see each other. Enough time sometimes have a drink. But tell her say our birthday come up and I'm gonna bring her to Jamaica. But she still a play hard and like say me have to go wait even eat.
But here me I say KK as a big man, me can how much?
Me 38.
Alright, me a 44. Alright, let me tell you how the game I go. You see, if you're as a real man, you're not debate about pum pum with woman. You just buy the ticket, bring her to the resort or where you bring her, and then it will happen if it happen.
Exactly, Mr.
Watt. So you're not going to put that in her head.
Yeah.
She come to me straight. She come to me straight and tell me say when you go to Jamaica, she not think.
Yeah, maybe she can say that.
UK, she not like you. Let me tell you something about women.
Yeah.
You as a man will have $1 million for give the woman and she not sleep with you. And one boy will come and get her sweet talk and she like that boy and she give up the nookie.
No.
She give
If
him
a
rounds
yes
per
or no?
rounds.
Is a
But when a man a
is
come to the
is
say
a
my
woman.
exchange sex a hotel room or one
Yes or no?
flight, that is just a turn off.
Is that the woman there? The one the woman there way with things a boy, you have to wait. I don't so she feel. She feels say if he's a good man, you have to wait. But you can't be a good man
So
and
why you
still
couldn't wait? Why you couldn't go and buy the pum
no.
pum on the
But
side and then you go and deal with she where are
tomorrow
the person where
promise
you want for date?
tomorrow don't
I
promise
don't
to
want the woman
nobody.
in just
The
want
man
go
said
ahead
tomorrow,
and
listen, the man said tomorrow
Exactly.
don't promise to nobody. He
Yeah,
want
cause
him
pum
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 him
today.
want. A pum pum you want. That
You
is
come like the
it.
girl that look good, bro. You really want her pum pum, though.
Yo, mix up I'm telling you, yo, she look good, man. I tell her, brother. I guess so. It's a yes or no? It's a
Between
girl
me and
sometimes.
you, between me
Well,
and
no,
you
listen,
alone,
no,
I say, you're that
listen, no.
breedy, you're that breedy, though.
A woman sometimes
You
will
hear me saying
surprise her.
between me and you, you're that breedy.
No, I'm not think we're not really breedy yet still. If me and her are deep in a relationship and we live together, but me not go breed no woman that wanna live together. Me not doing something there, you see?
Oh, that's
A
a
total a total waste of time that we go breed a woman and live together.
Yes, UK, I be a mokazi I go get. Your style, no good man now, I be a mokazi you for stay too.
KK,
KK.
Tell the truth, girl, tell the truth
Stick
still.
to the muckers, them,
Yes or
sir.
no? You
Stick
know,
to
so
the
bro, be
muckers.
honest, you know, sometimes single life sucks, but sometimes you're happy, cause I guess you know, you're free to travel to a different country and you get all type of woman you
You
want.
can't happy and single in America. I'm not ask Christ for 15 years, but there no happiness there so when you're single. None.
Of course. You see more
None. No
money. You
happiness
see
there
more
so when
money
you're
when you're single.
single.
You see more money when you're single. That kind of
Oh,
foolishness.
first of
I
all,
guess
one
so.
person in America is supposed to work and pay bills. You're
You see
supposed to
more
have a
money you're single.
second. That's why a lot of you go to Jamaica when you
true
can
shot
find the
up,
woman them down there. And it costs on a less to spend on the woman them on it. But listen, single life in America is not sweet. Nobody fool you.
Yes, sir.
American life and
Me
being single,
happy.
it's not
Me happy
sweet.
and me single. Cause I guess I'm gonna short and nothing.
Yeah, but you
Aye.
walk around and buy pum pum.
But
You can't
That's
find
all.
no woman
yes,
to
sir.
settle down with
Yes,
you.
sir. Even if you're married, you still have people pum pum. It's not because even if you're married, you still have by front. Cause guess what? If you go spend, she always give it up to you. Cause you take care of home, you take care of bills. So you still have be front and woman still front same way. And
So
that's
what is
common
it you
sense.
want, KK? Cause you sound confused.
We so confused. Oh, what means that? Which I try to tell you. Enough woman feel like they don't sell front. We all always say we don't sell front and we buy front. Cause once you do something as a man that take care of home, the woman will always give it to you. So you
That's why
pay
she
for it
sell her
same way.
front.
Of course.
If you in a
Yes, sir.
consensual relationship and you live a house with a man, as a woman, your duty is to take care of the house and the responsibility of the men, as well as you have as a woman, I believe I should work also my own money. But it's your responsibility as the man, okay, to feel like a man in your household, to take care of your house. And it's my responsibility for when you are take care of your household, for me open my leg
All right.
at
Be
any
honest.
cost.
Be honest. If you live with a man, the home, and the man now do nothing, not contribute, you are gonna give it up to him. Just
Him cannot be
honest.
my man and we will not be living.
All right. But one thing start doing if you don't start take care of home and pay the bills, you're ready for skin out because you're still a sell.
Let me ask you, do you think a woman can respect a man who does not contribute anything to the table? It
All
cannot happen.
Yes or no? Yes, a contribution can come in many ways.
How?
It not have to be nothing big. Yes, what I'm saying? Because guess what? Even if the man maybe not have no work for even a couple months and him they home and he'll say, all right then Sharon I come home later. So guess I know. I go cook and make the place tidy. That means that when she come from work, she not have to come from work and stress herself to cook and then clean up. That's still a part
Did
of
you notice the
contribution.
operative word that you use for a couple months? Okay? And that's quite fine because if you live with your partner, life happens. You can't lose your work, your partner can lose him work, and the two in a household, and it is your responsibility as a female to bring that household for a couple months. Now, when you got talk about a man when they decide for what, not at all. I feel like him can drive my car, sleeping on my sofa, and cook and clean. No, sir. You ain't got no use to me, and I will never respect you.
Some woman like man still know what they want and not working on them, especially man who can cook and do everything like that. You know, some woman like that too. No, but mix up boss. I really talking to mix up boss. Some woman like that too, mix up boss. Like that.
And then them treating her like una them son, and that's how the dynamic coming.
All right.
Yeah,
Like me have this friend, you know. Like me have this friend from Portland. He say he have a brother live over in the state. And just because the man tell the woman say in a heat in front, the woman kick him out.
But if him not pay no bills, where me expect?
Not paying the bills. All right, anyway, Miss Nuff, where you say morning? Sorry if you have so long on the panel. Where you say?
Yeah. Good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, I'm just here. I'm just listening. But going back to the point of woman taking man money. Do you know that men does the same thing?
Man, I do it now, because man, them get feminine.
Bad.
Exactly. The man do the same thing because when they realize that a woman is working and have a little bit of things, they will take stuff but pretend as if they're not taking it, if you understand what I'm saying. They go on like they're giving you all this good love and they love you and they show you off to their friends and this and that. But when you go out with them, they never put their hand in their pocket. They never offer anything. It's their birthday and you give them stuff, give them this, give them that. It's your birthday. And they not even sometimes they say happy birthday, but they make sure that they don't turn up on time or, oh, I've got to work or, I'm working late. And they never bring anything. The good test to test a man who you've always given things is ask him, oh, can you lend me £100? Till weekend or next week. And if that man make an effort to give it to you, then you know that he's got something for you. But if he doesn't, you keep showing up for that person, but that person don't show up for you. And
Okay.
then that's why a lot of men go around and use
No
women like that.
reciprocity.
Yeah.
I understand your, you make a good point, but the point where we did talk about earlier, it was like woman, what the woman them will take from man. Like some woman deny say they would take nothing from no man if them no want them. And we were saying that if you in a certain position in life, like circumstances
Yeah.
is not what you want, you will make sacrifice to make your kids happy.
Of
So
course.
woman will do
Of
that.
course. A lot of women are saying that they don't do those things. They're lying. Believe me. Because at one point in every woman's life,
Hello, Miss
especially
Nuff,
when
Miss
you
Nuff,
leave the
Miss Nuff,
country,
Miss Nuff. Please
when
speak
you
for
leave a country and go to
yourself.
another country,
Please
sometimes you
speak for yourself.
end up have to do things that you really, really don't want to do.
Oh, Miss Nuff, enough women sit pan them values. You have women who have morals and
Speak
values
for
and them sit
yourself.
pan
Don't
it.
say them a lie.
Yeah,
I
but
hate
even
when
if you
people
have
do that, you
morals and
see.
values, you don't have.
Don't
It
say
doesn't
people
mean
is
that you have to
lying.
return the favor.
No, but you have
Sometimes
to
Your
you say
truth
that
understand,
is
say
you
you
don't
not
have
have
for
to
me
return the
truth.
favor.
people who stick to them values, Miss Nuff. They stick to their values
Exactly. Exactly.
and would
Well,
love to agree.
I
About
know
people that lie.
plenty, and I
That is
don't know
your
none that
truth.
never accept.
That is you.
But come on, we are speaking on a big man level. You know, say you have some woman out there take man and name out, books them out, big and long, then they say get a pum pum.
Exactly.
And they still
Exactly.
get
Mix up,
a
mix up.
wait so one day they might get it.
Yeah,
Woman,
true.
See books there,
Of
go and eat
course.
him out. See books there. Woman can
Of
books me out.
course.
that I want to. So
But
sometimes
but but
getting
but but
things
but
from
but, but
man.
Damien, what's wrong with it? Can you have man too where figure out the woman and go tell him friend, oh, that girl there you made man. And
Yeah,
him have a next girl where him go spend pan and him dig out your punash and
exactly.
him not give you nothing. So listen. Why
Exactly.
is it so wrong if she even take him things and him not get nothing? Can you have man where take your things and them just
All right.
yeah. And them have a
Mix
next
Yeah,
up
girl where
one.
them go spend
Mix
yeah.
up
pan.
one. As a man, I want to ask you a
I
question.
think when it comes to
Hold on
women,
the
because
cake,
women been
hold
doing
on.
it a long time.
Mm.
So now the men them are returning the favor and doing it to us.
Hold on the guys. Let me mute for the time. No, sir. Me not hear the brother. That be a nice me I hear. Me no know what you talk about.
Man no
Anyway,
value woman when them not spend pan. Man, yes, when a man a go value her, or when him invest in money in a you, him go afraid for lose. Like I'm gonna say this is which part my money spend. Yes, so when you give a man your nookie and him not spend nothing, and this are from experience, him not value you. If him can just give you words and get you to lay down, him not value you.
no,
And
sir.
you
That
is a
wrong. That
yamin.
wrong. That wrong. You're wrong with that. Because you have
How?
man out there where get woman naturally without spending $1 and then respect the woman they said yeah. After that, it starts spoil her.
Of course, there are
Like
exceptions
one
to the
man
rule, but the
for everybody
It's
majority,
vice
else.
versa.
Hey,
You
You
understand?
mix
can't
up
take that
boss.
the experience
Mix
for
up
right?
put
boss.
The
throw down on the next
majority.
man.
Mix up
Yeah.
boss. Remember
I
something you
can't
know.
tell you this now as a man speaking. A man would rather get a woman naturally without spending nothing and turn
True.
her in her wife than a woman who might have to dig in her pocket and spend before you get
True.
look
True.
for.
True.
Take it
Mix up.
from me
Yeah,
as
that
a
is
man.
Hey,
I
true.
can talk for
mix
most man. That's how we think.
mix up. Mix
So
up.
But
when a
Remember
mix
one
up
woman
time you
has
boss,
know.
how do you
situation,
wait, let me have a question for mix up boss. How do you prove to a woman that you actually like her without your words?
all right. You don't have to be money. That's what I'm trying to say. It's not about
Mm-hmm.
the money. You don't have to lead by money to prove to a woman say you want
That
her. She
is
knows that
it.
that is a good man. You are
Mm-hmm.
gonna know and the person are gonna know by his actions. Money are
Mm-hmm.
just something where you're taking out of your pocket or
So what
send to
the
a
actions
account.
are gonna be?
You can't do all heap of things where you in need. Suppose say there yard, you want your grass for cutting, come there. Hey, want to come cut the yard. Hey, you know, say that I want fix. Hey, take out the fridge not ready. Your sofa
Acts
want
of
change. Just some
service.
little
That is
simple
some people
things.
love
And you
language.
know, say,
Acts of
yo, the man I
service.
want real man. You don't have to be like, oh, you have to spend money to get nookie. No, me not want them type of woman there. Me
A true
personally.
mix up boss. Real
Brother,
talk.
we just get
Not
it
at
natural.
all.
Me know say, yo, I real be this
A
Because
and
then
this.
true.
just I go
Okay.
move to the
A
highest
true
bidder
mix up boss.
Yeah.
after.
Mix
So
up.
me can correct you upon that. Maybe your type of man them have to spend to get you okay. But me just say for me, you understand? So that is why you hear me did say earlier, if me I go spend certain money upon a mockers, me I look say when I go up on a date, me supposed to get some pum pum and we move
That
on.
is it.
So me
Hey,
know say there's nothing there, basically, cause nothing I go do there so. But me not gonna make you come and name out my money and just gone so. If me then play field still. So me
hey.
know about that.
Mix up. Mix up.
Yeah,
Remember
but
one time. Mix up. Remember one time I know a Jamaican in there. I think when I come from Kingston. Come on, yeah. In time I go from my apartment. I went at the bus. When I bus I go back where I come from. And this big woman and I and we have a conversation. The big woman I think she was about 55 or so. The big woman I say, and one thing she depend on man for is local sex. She said she never depend on man for nothing else.
there
I
are
really thought
females
that.
like that right now. We're out there. We just
Mm-hmm.
that them want to feel a man. Them alright otherwise. They
Yeah.
financially stable. They no business about no money. If you give her money a plus, she no business. Me dey in a relationship like that too. Anyway, KTO, me I go take down to a one no. Alright. Me I take up me I go keep alright, let me see. Someone I go there for host a single show with me. Melidan. So me I take down when
Yeah,
me
mix up
look
one company single show now.
your
One second
company.
man. Yeah man.
Nobody now go on here without your talk, brother. You
No man,
spend
but
money
yes
and
sir.
carry things
Yo,
go.
mix up boss. Yes in the life now. Make it yes in the yes
show, so leave me.
yes no.
Yeah,
Mix up
all
Mix
right.
boss.
up, boss. Leave
One
him
company
at
single
door.
show.
Maybe he might meet a mockers. Leave him, man.
No man. Yes sir. Yes in the life. In the life when you know what can happen. Simple thing can change a man.
You sound
Does
like
the
you don't want
calmest
nobody. You just
no,
want
listen.
somebody to just
The
a blow, blow,
calmest
blow, blow,
listen. The
blow.
calmest woman can change a man. You know what I say? The calmest woman can change a man. Can guess what? Me that I one baby mother me have. One. So and I like say and I lost one pit and I like say me have a bunch of women and me have different pit with different no sir.
TKO. All right. Pause. That's a KK. We see what do you there. TKO.
Morning.
Morning.
So sorry, I have a head cold.
Okay. Sorry about that.
Okay. Um, I don't agree with the lady that says, every woman take money from a man when she have a hard time. Because even when my children were small, I didn't. I did what I had to do work-wise
Yeah.
to make the money to make sure my household had what it need. When I wasn't married. And even now, when I see my friends, and I'm 62 now, and I watch some of my friends, them that do pick up men just for money to help pay bills, they still struggling and they all stressed out. I've been alone for 3 years now, and I learned to do everything I need to do to take care of myself so that I don't have to take up a man just to help me out. So I learned to hang my own ceiling fans. I learned carpenter work. I learned some plumbing. So I do it all myself so I can depend upon me and not a man.
All right. I'm
And
going to say something to your TKOs. I'm going to cut you in your stride. You live America, right?
yes,
All right. You see, you in America compared to a woman in Jamaica, it's a total different thing. Because them have less opportunity in Jamaica. Some women have to go people they go wash clothes with their hand. And sometimes the husband take abuse of them and give them money and grind them. And what if something them have to go through when them not have it in Jamaica?
Gotcha.
So we can't put somebody who live in America with somebody in a Jamaica. I have to be honest with you. Because I'm seeing it with my eyes.
Okay. Okay.
You understand what I'm saying?
Alright.
Not saying every woman in Jamaica is going to do what me I say, But the chances and more opportunities are minimum in Jamaica. And you're supposed to know that if you know a little about Jamaica. Especially person who live in a ghetto or poverty line areas and them something. I do a lot of charity and a lot of baby mothers who the father just left them with our 3-4 kids. Them not have it. I mean, no, so when they go find one next little man, some of the time I give man them have to give them money to take care of other kids. And sometimes the man them want pum pum. So I know how the struggle is with a lot of females out here. It's rough. Sometimes they don't want to do, but they don't have no choice. They don't have nobody now employ them. Sometimes they have to stay on with the kids and one look. So I talk for them woman they still. So I have to put it, make it sound more, desperate.
Okay, gotcha. Understand.
Yeah. So I totally different thing. Struggling in Jamaica are the real deal, man. I tell you.
Yeah,
Especially
and I
young
wish
kids
it would
coming.
get better for Jamaica. I
Yeah,
Mix
it's
up,
don't
we need
going,
to
want
have
it's
a
getting
talk with
better
the man
from, if
them.
you check from the 80s to now, things are getting a little bit better. I just the female them for those know say, listen, no make no man climb up on and breathe and go 4 or 5 people and gone. And sometimes you blame
right.
the female, them have one and the female father gone, then they go take up a next man and gone, then they go have
Mhm.
cheap the next man, because every man comes say, me I stay with the man, me take care of you. Breed gone,
Yeah.
breed gone, breed gone. She end up
My
with 5.
ex-husband is in Jamaica now and always asking for money. But he asks for money so he can buy purse and glass and everything for women. But me and my son, we stopped sending him money.
See that? There you go. That's a different story. But big up yourself, man, and thanks for trying to find it. I appreciate
Yeah,
it.
right.
All right, big up. Hey, morning. Canada, England, Caribbean, anyway. All right. Yes,
Yeah, man,
Mark.
big up myself in a mix up, boss. So, yeah, go ahead.
Big up on a Mark. Where you there, pan? You want a lady?
The right away. Valentine's are come soon, you know.
Bombard. Me just remember, bro. Jesus, help me. You how much?
53.
53. Which part you live?
Jamaica.
Jamaica, Lord God. I don't know if you're going to get a girl to get them acre. Jamaica. Why when you hear about Jamaica, you come and me get nervous. You look man them out there.
Yeah, but it's not every man. I was listening to it when I talk about it. It's Fatu man and Jamaica man love Fatu man. Bro, me not love Fatu man. Me
No,
travel
that's
the
a
Caribbean
some.
and work.
No, that's a
Me
some
travel the
Jamaican man.
Caribbean. Yeah, yes, some, not me, because I don't love Fatu man. I'm a travel the Caribbean and work. Never date a Fatu man yet.
Okay. So which one you want? Hold on, the darling. Which one you want a lady from? Jamaica?
She can be Jamaica or in the Caribbean because as I said, I work, go to the Caribbean and work when I'm ready.
Oh, you go to the Caribbean and work when you're ready. Okay. So 53,
Yes.
what age you look? 26, 25, 30?
No, from 38 to 53 my age.
38 to 53. All right.
Yeah.
All right. So ladies, in name Mark, independent of your own thing, and can travel to the Caribbean. And he might look somebody in the age group, the hardworking man. So I don't know, riffraff, real man. Okay? All right. So Mark, hold on there. Let me hear what the lady has said. I don't know if she want you. Flowers, morning.
Hi, good morning. No,
How are you?
I already no, Mark is not for me.
How old are you?
43.
43. Where you live?
Yeah. Saint Anne.
St. Anne. Okay. So what you say, Mark, is not for you?
Because I want somebody outside Jamaica.
Oh, you want somebody overseas?
Yeah.
So want to Jamaican man. So no real love you want. Cause if you're lonely at night time, hour.
Yeah, I am, and I kind of want somebody to talk to when I am. But the thing is, like, I would rather. I'm very adventurous, so I need the experience of other cultures.
Oh,
Because
other
I'm
call.
already used to mine.
Oh, so you
Yeah.
ever traveled before?
Yeah, I used to live in Canada.
Oh, you used to live in Canada. Okay. So you can travel now. Like if it's somebody overseas want you can travel.
No, because I came on my PR card. I was in an accident and my PR card expired.
Oh, okay. So you're stuck at Jamaica for now then, basically. So the guy they would have to leave a foreign and fly out come visit you.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So yes, I'm kind of your cup of tea, so I make it stay there. So any single man overseas want the lady here? Party. You live by yourself?
Yes.
How much kids you have?
One, but he's in Canada.
He's in Canada. Okay, good. That means he's not a pitney for about. All right, big up
No,
yourself.
he's an adult. He's like 27.
27. Okay, no problem. All right, so if nobody reach out to you, what you need to do, send me a message in my inbox with a number. Say if somebody reach out to you, I will call you. If someone not call you, that means nobody not reach out.
Okay.
So just send me a direct message. Just go on my profile and click on message. Send me your number, so I have it, okay?
Yeah, well, send me your number. What's your number?
My number, no, the last time I put out my number, I say one bag of people are text me, say I am single and them something there. So I put it out still, but 277-3254.
All right, thanks.
All right, cool.
Have a great day.
Yeah, man, you too. All right. Mark, can I hear a cup of tea that for you, eh?
No.
Yeah. All right, Mark. Mark, may I have your number?
From a long time. I don't know if I still have it, but a long time.
You have my number?
Before me left. No, can be the phone, it change up when I go away.
All right, send me my number 277-3254. Here more you do. Send me a message, send me a message for you with a number. So I have if one lady call me, I can get her number.
Yeah, me will text it up, yes, sir.
All right. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, my boss.
You.
Oh, go on.
Right. Hey, me I wonder why my picture not up there. Are somebody else picture that, you know?
No, man, your picture me I see.
So I don't know, me not see everything. But
Sometimes
then,
TikTok I play tricks.
yeah.
Introduce yourself again. I could try again, because I know you can't make it, bro.
Yeah, man. My name is Chris. I live in Florida, in Fort Lauderdale.
How old are you, Chris?
39.
39. And you seek a woman, what age?
Between 35 to 40.
35 to 40. Which part ship you want her to come from?
In Florida.
You know hear that, guys? You want somebody in Florida, not Texas.
I live in Miami. I live in Miami, close to Miami.
Close to Miami. Not Texas, not New York, not California, not Pennsylvania. Please.
For sure.
No New Jersey. Because you not have no mercy. Alright, so make sure when you live at Florida so you can check out the corridor.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, my boss, big up yourself. Me make you.
Hey, mix up. You know artist when you Giveon? You don't know the artist there.
Giveon.
You probably don't know him, man. But I don't even know his song to tell her, but him kind of like a thing, the artist, man. Kind of like an old school R&B. But him is a new artist, but him sing like a them the kind of song there.
Somebody has said, for show your face. You never seen company show already. Show your face, me G, because they must believe you're a robot.
Brother, Mark sitting me and say, me can't take a screenshot and show right now. Mark face up on my
Look if you see video request. Hold on. You see me see video. Video request. Camera. Oh. Chris turn off his camera. Okay. I'm supposed to have a picture with see him picture yeah, man. Hold on, I'm showing him picture. Oh yeah, see Mark something. Okay, me get what you say. A TikTok I do that, man. A TikTok I do that. Anyway, ladies, see me. Kindly link me already. See me? So I am that. Okay? So if you live in Florida and when age 35 to 40, you and him can get down and you can be very, very naughty. Alright? So they say Romonia, I try other but then I accept you look good. Hey Mark, may I try other but then I come in at the something there. You know, coming at the thing there. No, coming at the thing there. Resemble one down knees. So I am shy for this is like I ladies. I try to keep the shy for me when you can get one little man. I don't know about this shy Oh, I'm a Christian. Oh, I don't want my family to hear. Oh, I don't want this. Any idea? Uno alone I hug up on a sheet by yourself. Any idea? But I want to look at Isle ride on it. I go
Oh, yeah.
PSC.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I listen to you. Me there in Memphis. Me I do some work. Yeah, me left.
All right. Big up.
You
Yeah.
can't take me down. Me I
Yeah.
listen while me work.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Respect.
Any idea when about this and that? Me not understand. No, so no shy. I know y'all alone matter. Me get a message on my phone. Oh, one other thing more address. Let me tell you this. You said I want to see woman then compare. Me find out enough for Uno. I go in a woman and DM and I say mix up but send them to over Uno. This is a disclaimer. Ladies, me not send nobody coming on the inbox. If they soon upon you and they want inbox Uno and they say then soon over mix up boss, and then me send them over there. So me not want nobody, meet nobody in a DM and then now then say me, please. You see, anyhow, Uno, if anyone see them WhatsApp on by number, and me. That is why I deal with number. So I always say for a company show, just put on a message in my message box. See? Or when you send me a WhatsApp and say, I am the girl who called, I am this, or that, or something do it. You see me? Because what they one lady there over here and she say, man, in her inbox, I say, me send them over there. Jamaican man plus. Me not have no time for them something there. You understand? Please. See my there, in my 53 if I don't want to inbox him, when you can't inbox him, nothing wrong. Alright, that TikTok is free. Anybody can inbox anybody. But when you come on to my dating show, me deal with numbers. Okay? So, me just put that out there. Please, my beg you. You could just do it right there. I don't want to be old and lonely. Nobody don't want to be old and lonely. Mark is from Jamaica, but he can travel to the Caribbean. I'm 53. He said he travel overseas for work sometime. Okay? Let me check your box if nobody else. Nobody else not come up. Nobody else not come up. So that's a 2 person. But it's a more try go at least 5. I think 5 is good. 5 is good. Okay. When you come on to my dating thing, then I'm strict on you guys, because I don't play games on. Yeah man, I'm strict when you come on to them. So, alright, let me check in on my phone and see what I go on in them. I did have one. Alright, let me see. Alright. Lord did. Hold on, man. Good morning. Well, I have one guy here from Florida. Jeez, let me say for the day. This is Marcia. Marcia called me 1 o'clock. Oh, she done called me this morning. Let me say Marcia. Hold on, guys. Say if we can get 2 person off iPhone or they text me. Let's see. Hold on.
MIXUP boss, what one?
Marcia, I'm there on my TikTok single show. One man, you look.
No, me not let nobody right now. Me used to look man long time, but me tap that now. Now all the girl know.
Yeah, all girl, how much?
Me your mother, man. Or maybe your grandmother.
Yeah, 69?
Yeah, man. Oh, you know.
Me just take a guess.
You must sound 69, right?
No, not really. So if I sound way younger still.
Well, me only 61. Yeah.
Okay.
So I go on, MIXUP boss. I go on today. I don't hear nothing. I don't hear nobody coming with no nice bro. So I go on. Me not look no man now though. But if me hear one man talk the other day say, oh, do man a big woman and she a look man and all them things. But people do what them feel.
Yeah, for real.
People
Remember me
do
there
what
on
them feel.
remember me there on the TikTok. I single show now me there on so me just call if you say if they want a man. So like when I want one man, me I talk differently, alright?
Oh yeah, all right then. Yeah, man, thanks.
Yeah, alright, cool.
Yeah, bye.
So one number from Jamaica. Good morning. I would like you to help me to get a contact with someone from Canada. I have a Canadian visa at 10 years. So please, whatever way you can. Lord God. This is how we record a bro and a one man. That means a 10-year visa you want somebody at Canada. Lord God. But if you have a visa, if I have a visa, I would take a trip to Canada and then now. What if a woman there in Canada? Go one club, go one little party, go somewhere, go hang out. Go somewhere, go have a brunch or something. You might meet somebody. Go travel. Because you have to talk now and somebody in Canada say, oh, give me him having visa. When you go over there, where you expect to go, like, you go marry her or you go, I don't know. Just travel first, man. Travel by your visa and come back. Because you must get the visa. Canadian visa, you have to have ties to get an invitation with somebody. So you must have family or friends over there. Just go travel. Hold on, I'm call him. Ask him where you want. Hold on. Hello?
Hello, morning.
Yeah, I'm on a single show.
Yeah, hi. I mean, you to you first.
Yeah, may I tell you I'm on a single show, so may I talk to you now where person can't hear.
Yeah.
Where you say you want now?
I die.
You want a guy
And I just want. Yeah, if me get a
oh, so you have a visa, can travel to Canada, right?
yeah.
Oh,
but
so
me don't have no address. Now you know me don't want like work to meet a man.
No, me don't know about the work and then something there. Because me think it's a relationship you want also.
Yeah, me don't take it too. If me get a male friend between 60 something because I'm 63, but I look like 50, looking much younger than my age.
Boy, I that the whole I will tell myself, I know. The whole I will, hey, I never see nobody come on and say, me are 62 and me alright today. Me are 65, me alright today. Me are 50, me alright today. Everybody always come. No, me know, but everybody always come. Oh, I am 60, but I don't look my age. Everybody.
Oh boy. I'm so excited talking with you because I'm always watching on YouTube looking at you, man.
Yeah, man.
That's one day I will finally
go
to this.
Alright, I'm going to put you out there. If any man in Canada want one nice lady, she just want one nice relationship and she have a visa, she can travel back and forth. Alright? So I'll make you rest there for now. Alright?
Alright, thank you very much. Keep in touch.
Big up yourself, cool.
Yeah, man. Same to you.
Yeah. We tell her I'm up on the show to Ratty and she want to chat about everything. The woman want to chat about everything. I don't want you to talk about everything for your baby. Keep it, some things can't keep private. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. The lady I want one man. Hold on, I put her up on the show because I don't know coward thing. Let me get rid of the lady. Right? Grace, I follow your page now. Big up yourself. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, man. You see me? You know more the time pedal. You know where I call her from, though?
Yeah.
You watch me?
No, I don't want the state exam on me. I watch
TikTok, me there on.
I'm not watching right now.
Yeah, but you're there on the live show now.
Yeah?
Yeah. So them I hear you. What you say you want? Talk.
I said I want a man that is in America. He must have things like hardworking, caring, and
hold on, you must have things like what?
Like me.
Oh, you have your things?
Yeah.
Oh, so my have your things?
Yeah, somebody who gonna love the person for them.
What age?
Pardon me?
What age of man you want?
From 52 to 58.
From 52 to 58?
Yes. It don't matter where it comes from.
Are you this funny picture?
Yes.
Your body not look bad.
No.
Your body not look bad at all.
Thank you.
Yeah, hot girl man, you have a tattoo on leg. Where you going with? Eh?
Oh my God.
Yeah, hot girl man, you have a tattoo on leg and something. Your body not look bad still, me not lie. Cause me look on your shape and something.
I'm gonna be 51 in August.
Oh, you'll be 51 in August. Okay. All right, well, we finally get up on the show, so we know say you're going to get a man. Sure. But your body no look bad, me not lie.
But you cannot judge me from the body.
No, man, go off of where them say. Always remember that. If your belly did floppy and you have double belly, and you look slibby, and you don't look good, no man no want you. Man, go off of where them say. Then you and him talk and you know if you have ambition and you work on this. Alright?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, on the day of my class, I'm try school and every time I want to learn. You think of words run this? Words are just words. See me?
Action work it for me.
Right.
Yeah.
Alright. So any man in our state, right?
Yeah.
Alright. So anybody interested in reach out to me, I have a number already. Okay? Alright, big up yourself.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah. Alright, that is she. Some person text me on phone, I know, when me in a mood now, me show it, because I remember them, but a whole heap of people text me every day. Well, let me see, he's too close. Let me see that one here. I want that one there. Who else is here? Hold on, Selena. Steve Stewart. Hold on. Let me see this. Let me read. My friend, can you subscribe my YouTube, Steve TV? I need subscribe. Alright, I'm so subscribe to that. Let me check in on my archives. Let me see what I have in there. Alright, so I have blessings. I'm at work. Oh, the girl here. Hold on. Karen did company show already. Rose, Tonks, Julian, single. Oh, me have a lady from Quebec. Okay, anybody in Quebec? She is 45. No, me not gonna advertise she. She don't want to show her picture. That don't make no sense. Yeah. Me dey give guy from Canada one person. I don't know. UK, Nikki. This are who else? Who else this? This is Taya. Let me see she. Oh, this is my friend. Oh, I forgot. So, yeah, man. Michael, where are they with? Big up Michael in Canada. I see you, my G. I see you. I'm depending for you page, so people are going to scroll and say. Alright, so anybody else? 11:41. Need to get some food in my shop. Big up your friend Michael. You don't know yourself. Michael. Big up yourself. You don't know anything of my G. Me there, no G. Me say yes, we talk. Me see a link here. Show me busy, bro. So, we're going to talk. I'm not coming right. Thank you for the art. Should I can stay. Find love for me. Other girl, like she play with the thing. Me say if she come on, she get somebody, I don't know why she at Romania. Stop play around and come in at the box. Flatline, come in at the box, please. Alright, shy. What go on?
Hi.
What kind of shy and afraid thing you go on with?
I am shy.
So if say I date to a man on the phone, I interview and he carry go over in yard and he carry go in our bedroom, you know I go take off your clothes.
When the time is right.
Yo, you that take off your him have to take off it.
I love when he do it.
Oh, you love when him do it. Oh, you know what? Me see right through you. Me know you're a type of woman. You're a type of woman. If you want look a body, you know go tell the man and tell him. Talk it truth. Him have to ask you.
Yeah.
Yeah, me know that type of lady there. Yeah, him have to ask you. And if you're over, him have to pull off your clothes and then something. Sometimes it's nice when a man pull off your clothes, you know. You know, you pull off your clothes and your tool well stiff and ready, you don't know that feel. You know? And you're a type of woman, I get it, you never wear a lingerie, right?
I wear it every day.
Huh?
I wear it every day.
You wear lingerie every day?
Oh, every night.
Every night? Romaine, hello?
Yeah, I wear it every night. I sleep in it every night.
Even though you don't have a boyfriend, you sleep in it every night?
Manifest it, you know.
Huh?
Have to manifest it.
Ramonia,
Yeah?
you sound quiet. You there at work?
I'm home.
Huh? You home?
I am home.
Oh, yes, yeah, you come up now. Me I say you sleep in your lingerie every night.
Every night.
And what if things go through your mind at night time, don't?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, what age man you want?
From 40 to 50.
You play with yourself a lot sometime too.
That's personal.
Oh, that man, for you say you have a lingerie, me I imagine you a guy your bed by yourself in your lingerie and you think of whole heap of things, have a look at something on your phone and play with yourself. Cause one day I talk to one lady, come talk to all type of lady. That's why I deal with big people over here. I'll show you something. You listen? She said she have one tie and she give it one name. When she tell me I laugh. Someone say, oh, you mean you give it one name? She say, no, I don't want no man, no. Someone say, why? Me have one tie. What him name? She say, name is Peter. So like when she go in and like she come out of the bathroom, she talk to Peter. Peter, you know, say me come in and me have a bad day. You know, say me want some sort out. I say, you serious? So she have a tie and talk to the tie like the tie is a person. And then now when she gone in her bed, she and Peter that. She do everything to Peter. Everything. I have to disclose certain things for her, but you understand what I mean everything. Yeah man, she said she get Peter stiff up, she do it Peter. And when she do it, she call him Peter. So I say, why the name there? She says she don't know. She just did have one ex named Peter and he was so good. So she named it something Peter. So like Peter left a mark on her. I'm not cap, I'm not build up nothing, I tell you facts. But me not can't talk or like disclose it certain way because it's confidential. I just talk. I look like. So I know what you go through with the lingerie, you know? You put it on every night. Can you imagine that? Don't worry yourself, you're gonna get somebody to take it off you. Which part you live?
Orlando.
You're in here?
In Orlando, Florida.
Orlando, Florida.